How we doing, everyone? We are back again. This time we got 2 tickets here. 2 of the $20, 215 million cash explosion ticket from the Arizona Lottery. Now, these ones here, we have the overall odds are going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from $20 up to that top prize of $2.5 million. Excuse me. Today we got tickets 2 and 3. We're going to get started with ticket 2 here and work our way up. This one here, we're looking to reveal that money bag symbol to win $100 instantly, or that 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. Alright guys, enough talking. Let's get scratching, get into it, and get some wins. This is ticket 2 here. Let's see our winning numbers here. We got 5, 7, 50, 3, 24, 19, 43. Alright, we're going to start out with 37, 14, 17, 29, 4, 27, 47, 35, 49, 40, 15, 6, 16, 48, 45. Alright, we got 2 rows left. Can we get anything? 39, 32, 34, 10. There's my lucky 44. Not on this one. 12, 41, 8, 28, and in the corner, we got 36. Alright, so nothing on ticket 2 here. Moving on to ticket 3. Yeah, we're looking for 23, 35, 13, 9, 38, 28, 45. Let's start out with a 22, a one-off. 3, 11, 48. There is my lucky 44 again. Not today at all. 7, 8, 24, 46, 39. Lots of one-offs. 4, 50, 31, 13. Ooh, we got a match on 13 here. Let's see. Can we get anything else? 6. At least we know we got to win. 5, 42, 47, 41, 15. Nothing there. Last row, 36, 16, 40, 21, 14. Alright, let's see here. Something big. We got $20. We will take it. So we got 1 win there and 1 loss. We got half our money back for the session. As always, guys, if you have not before, hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel out a lot. Give this one a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next one.